Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If the Vinci Resolve not opening on your PC, don't worry about it. I have personally faced this problem and resolved this issue. So follow my tips to fix this error. Right click from your mouse and go to the display setting. Now scroll down and go to the graphics section. And in the all apps section, click on the DaVinci Resolve and path should be program files black magic design DaVinci Resolve. After choose this part, go to the option and click on the power saving and then save. After doing this, check the error. If it is persists, then try next. Go to the search bar and search device manager. Click on it. Go to the display adapter, double click on it and right click on graphic driver and update the driver. After update, check the error. If it is not working, then go to the official according to your system's graphics, download and install the graphic driver from its official website. Now you can see that it is open as soon as you install the latest version of the graphic driver. If it is still not working, then uninstall the DaVinci Resolve and install again. I am sure after doing these methods your problem will be solved. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.